Today we will see PHP constants. You know what is mean by constant? Constants are like variables, except that once they are defined, they cannot be changed or undefined. Variables are changed, but constants are, if you define, it is globally same value for the program. The value cannot be changed during the script. A valid constant name starts with a letter or underscore and $sign before the constant name. Constants are automatically global across the entire script. Here, define function. Use the define bracket function for PHP constant. Define name, comma, value, comma, case insensitive. This is syntax. Name specifies the name of the constant, value specifies the value of the constant, and case insensitive. It is boolean value, default is false. If you want to do it true, then write true for this case insensitive. Create a constant. How to create a constant? In PHP, define greeting is the name of the constant and value is welcome to suppose w3schools.com. Third parameter is default false for insensitive. Echo greeting. After execution of this program, it will show the value of greeting. Welcome to w3schools.com. If you place here true, then after execution, it will take the value as it is. If it is false, true, greeting, execute this. It is true, therefore it is not case sensitive. If you write here false, then after execution it will display greeting. I hope you will understood this concept. Here constant arrays. You can create array constant using the define function. Here define cars is the name of array and values Alfa Romeo, BMW, Toyota, 3 values are there. Echo cars, it will display value of cars 0. Suppose here 1, it displays BMW. As per the index, we have to assign the values. 2, it will display Toyota. Constant arrays. Here square bracket is not there, therefore it will give error. Toyota. Then constants are global because if once you define, then it will same for entire script. Define greeting welcome to w3schools.com. Suppose function is a myTest function and here one statement echo greeting myTest. You can directly call into program. After execution, inside the function you can access this constant because it is global. Here predefined constants are there in PHP. System defined constants are there. As per your requirement, you can use indirectly. It will replace the value. For example, PHP version, PHP major version, minor version, release version. So many variables are there. Int max, int min, int size, float. These are the predefined PHP functions. Again, PHP magic constants. Another concept. It is a PHP magic constant. PHP provides a large number of predefined constants to any script which it runs. Many of these constants, however, are created by various extensions and will only be present when those extensions are available, either via dynamic loading or because they have been compiled in. 9 magical constants are there that change depending on whether they are used. For example, the value of line. Value of line, it will display the line number. All these magical constants are resolved at compile time, unlike regular constants which are resolved at runtime. Previous program we have defined constant which is resolved at runtime, and here all the predefined constants are resolved at compile time. It starts with double dash, double underscore, line, double underscore, the current line number of the file, underscore, file, dir, function, class, trait, method, namespace. These are 9 magical constants. Here we can see magical constants. First, line returns the line number in the source file. The constant appears at, suppose, echo line number 2. This is the line number 2, line number 3, line number 4. It will give the, suppose, here we replace this code, and after execution line number 7, line number 8, line number 9, it will give the output. Like, file represents the name of your file including its full path like this. The name of this file is the directory or path and the name of file. Directory, it will display directory. Class returns the name of the current class. Class sample, it gives name of the class, that is a sample. Echo class, it shows the name of class. Name of the current function, suppose function my sample function, the name of the function is, it will display the name of the function. Name of the current method, suppose public static function my method, name of the method, it will display name of the method. Namespace returns the name of the current namespace. Namespace my sample, it is the storage. The sample namespace is underscore underscore namespace. The namespace is my sample ns. Magic methods, that is construct and destruct. Whenever object is created, the memory is allocated for the object. It is construct and deallocates memory, that is destruct. Construct is magic method which PHP invokes to create object instances of your class. It can accept any number of arguments. Suppose class mySample public function construct $foo. It is a parameter which passes echo class constructor called with $foo. Here mySample constructor called with 42. It will display any number of arguments with class name. As name implies, destruct method is called when the object is destroyed by the PHP's garbage collector. It displays the class name. It accepts no arguments and it is commonly used to perform any cleanup operations that may be needed, such as closing a database connection. Our next magic method deals with property overloading and provide a way for PHP to handle calls to properties and methods. PHP invokes the _get method if a property is undefined and called in a getter context. The method accepts one argument and the name of the property. It should return a value which is treated as the value of property. Get means it access value and set it assigns value. We will see this later, detailing later. I hope in today's lecture we discuss about constants, predefined constants and magic constants. Thank you.